clip through the bottom here. And then you see this little gap here? Yeah. So you're just gonna line up this gap just with the center of the cross, and you're just gonna slide this right through just like that. Okay. Then come on through over here. So you see the bottom of this clip right here. You're gonna line up that gap and you're just gonna slide it through just like that. So you're not going anywhere, okay? So you're clipped in the whole time. You attach yourself, and then once you're done, you just attach at the other end, and then you can go up to level 2 or do whatever you want to do after that, okay? All right, so this is called your X plate. This is what you're going to use to move around different climbers or different obstacles on the course, okay? So you're either going to, if you want to go to the left, you're going to line up this gap with the center here, and you're just going to slide it through, just like that. Or if you're wanting to go to the right, you're going to flip it upside down and slide it through. Just come over here just a little bit more. Slide it through just like that, okay? You're just going to want to make sure that you flip it the right way around, because if you flip it this way, then it's going to get stuck. Okay. See what I mean? Just make sure you flip it through the right way, so this black rope is always on the side that you're wanting to go, okay? Okay. So we'll slide it through just like that. Come up here.
No, keep going.
Slide it through just like that.
Let go.
All right, and then now you're going to line it up from the top. So you're going to line up that gap and just slide it through like that. And then it's the same how you attach to the other side there. You're just going to slide that through, just like that.
And so does Isabel.
Does that make sense? Yeah? Okay. I would just run through it a couple times. Just make sure you're nicely comfortable with it. And then once you're ready, you can head up, okay? All right, have fun.
Thank you. This is really fun. You just have to like really know where you're going with this. So I have to go up like that, around, and then it's pretty easy. This one you just kind of have to swing and then go to the next one. It's kind of scary when it's wobbling, but it's still really, really fun. You just have to have really good footwork on this. To the middle part over there. It is really, really cool. Okay, really fun.
Hey, stay there, Dad's gonna come.
Whoa. This one's really wobbly, so it's kind of scary. Whoa, whoa.
What do you have for your last words?
It looks really fun and I'm excited to try it.
Right?
Yeah.
Well, you went out there to help her. Isn't that nice? Yeah, you went out there and helped her.
Are you ready? Just gonna grab those yellow handles down there. And you get to go.
Oh my god. Oh my gosh, this is so fun but so scary.
Purple handle right there. You can go no hands if you want to. Just make sure you don't touch this red part. Don't touch these clips. Alright.
Almost touched the landing. How was it?
It was really fun.
It's good. You can go out the gate right over there.
There we go. Hey everyone, we're here at our first location for It's All Good. We're at Fire and Dough here in Sauble Beach. We're going to be trying their margarita pizza, and we're also going to be trying their hot and spicy pizza. Give you a shot of that. You see it?
Yep, looks good.
And we'll give you a shot of the margarita pizza. They look really good. So we're gonna give the margarita pizza here first a shot. It looks really fresh. Tastes really good, really fresh. These pizzas are ready in like 2 minutes. I think it was 2 minutes it was ready in. Again, we're at Fire and Dough here in Sauble Beach. I'll leave all their socials down in the description. That's really good. I'm gonna try the hot and spicy. I don't do very well with hot stuff, so this should be interesting. But I like tasting like restaurants, their signature dishes, so you just gotta go for it. See how she goes. That's fabulous. Peppers are a little hot, but it's really good. It's hot. That's my favorite so far today. And I'm not like one for hot food, but this is really good. It's not like hot, blow your face off, but it's letting you know it's there. It's really good. Really good. And it's really hot out. Yeah, that's fabulous. I would eat more. That's so good. So I would definitely recommend the hot and spicy. It's very good. The margarita is really good too, but I like the sweet and the honey and stuff. It's really good. Okay, so that's it for me here. Again, I'm at Fire and Dough. If you want to check them out, make sure to stop by here in Sauble Beach. Again, the pizza's cooked really fast, so the lineups are really short. See you in the next one.
Happy Donuts, and I'm going to be trying the watermelon soft serve. It looks really good. You can really taste the watermelon. That is really good. I love watermelon, and this is probably going to be one of my favorite things. It's like, it's kind of hard, but it's like still soft with the chocolate, and it's so good.
You get chocolate.
Really, really good. I love the flavor of the watermelon and the vanilla ice cream. It is probably one of the best things I've ever had. Vanilla and watermelon it's honestly so good. I cannot get enough of this ice cream. This is so good. We are at Happy Donuts. Make sure to check it out in Sauble Beach. All their socials will be in the description. Now I gotta try my next one. It looks so good. I love Nutella. Oh yeah. It looks so soft. The Nutella is so good with the donut, and it's so soft. I honestly, I thought it'd be like, have like a crunchy outside, but it being that soft is so good. You just bite into it and you taste the Nutella and the dough, and it is awesome. It's amazing. It's just so good. Make sure to check out Happy Donuts in Sauble Beach. They have a lot of delicious treats. Make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and we'll see you in the next one.